So this topic is this. This one is the about 7 teeth, which is patient has it, but there's a dentulous, there's no teeth. There's no teeth. But the people doesn't want to the bridge, and the people doesn't want to implant, probably money. People doesn't want to make the partial because we have to make this. So here is the solution. Doctor can prep it, and then we can make the partial with the attachment types, which is we did it. But I'm trying to explain to you today is more important procedure and process from the lab and dentist. This is more complicated, but I would like to talk. Because long time ago I made a mistake too, which we did not know. I just count on with the dentist, which is they did it. And then we got the cases which is not fitting. So today I'm going to explain to you how I did it. So today, people doesn't want to make the bridge. People doesn't want to make the implant. People doesn't want to make partial. Also, they want a crown aesthetically pleasing. So this case, would like to show. So doctor prep it, which is individual 6 crowns, and here's a 1 crown. Now we have to make the engage together until they decide the future implant, future partial. This is the old school, but the best in technology. So we fabricated from the crown. Either I can make the metal, ceramic, or we can make the zirconia monolithic. So we make the major west seat. Who doesn't want to see the metal? Who doesn't want to see any other things? And also we design with attachment between the precision types, and then they survey, and then they just design it. Okay, and then we fabricate the metal framework, and then we finish the final restoration. So this is important moment. So we send it out the old crown to the dentist. Okay, I made a mistake sometimes, or dentist made a mistake too. We all the time recommend, I need a crown back from dentist, which means doctor have to try in the patient's mouth, and then they take the pickup impression. Really good. Before do that, so here's the attachment. Here's the attachment. They have to make a good sleeve. Depends on the company. There's several company out there, Preet and Zest, those kind of company, you can order it. Carefully see the sleeve, and then take the impression. So that impression what I need, but most of the time we could not get. Sometimes doctor, this one cement already in patient's mouth, which is too late. The problem is after they put it into the patient's mouth, and they hard to take the sleeve, take another impression, but they have to do really well. But instead, I need a crown back, and then with a good impression, with the attachment in. Okay. Next video, you can see here what I receive it. So we make the pin inside, and then we carefully prop the model or the acrylic types, resin pattern, and then we take it out. You can see my video. Okay. And then once I have this, and then we have to make the frame design with the sleeve. So which is, you see my frame, just roughly metal frame, which is we did it on step here, and then we put together, and then we sometimes we send it out to try in, set the teeth with the dental teeth, and check the bite. Sometimes send it out to doctors because we don't know the bite exactly. Then I have to send them. But if I think a bite is a good right-centric bite, and then we finish processing. So this one is the finished process, as you can see. That's what I would like to share. So don't forget, my crown, send it back with the sleeve, with the good polybinary impressions, not alginate. Okay, so that's why I would like to talk. So this combination case is good for the patient, and another great option for old school technique, which is still best. So nowadays, even though all the way distal way, this is a great way. So don't forget, I would like to share about a couple minutes Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe it, appreciate it, and social media too, and Patreon. Thank you. Have a good day. Now separator. This is a crown Dr. Try in the patient's mouth. Now they're looking for the new partial top of that. So we're going to make the good clip. Basically, it's delay powder, quick. Now it's apply with put it in the pin because it's fast dry. We're going to test this later. Or we don't need this because this is a huge. Nice. Alright, let it dry. That one is okay, so we don't need a pin. And then here's the information, quick dry. The LC Illinois. In case, we just put it in there. Just one more. 7. But we don't need a pin for that.
No. About 20 minutes? No, more. 30 minutes? Yeah, 35 minutes. Okay, so now after it's about 1 hour, so we just check it out carefully. That's good. Okay. exactly, and then we can take it out the crowns from inside. Put it back. Okay. Alright, so now I have to cut the motor, so we put it back one by one, just like we did before. Here. See? That's why we got the perfect. The reason I like it is this is all alignment together. So now we can make the good precision attachment partial. Okay, nice catch.